Hey guys, just wanted to film a quick work in progress Wednesday video to show you what I've been working on, and yeah, it's this. I'm still very much in an organizing mood. I did finish organizing all of the projects that I've made as far as like sorting them by theme and sorting them by good enough to sell, good enough to donate, and oh my god, kill it with fire. But I still was in a really organizing mood after that, so I have been doing some organizing of stickers and embellishments. I've been organizing them by color. I'm sure this doesn't look organized because it's really messy. I should explain the pile of washi tape. I keep my items in binders for the most part. Like this, I buy construction paper from the dollar store, and then I sort of tape two sheets together, and then I use the dollar store laminating sheets to laminate them, and then I just put them in a page protector, and I use washi tape to like stick the stickers on. I've started to change that approach, which is partly why I've got a big pile of washi tape here, where I'm going to use these for like full sheets of stickers. Like on this side, I've got a bunch of sheets of stickers, so instead of cutting them all up, they all kind of go under the same like white and cream type theme, so they're just going to stay on the sheet. And this is just so I can hold on to them for now as I've been doing some organizing. I was organizing my stickers and embellishments by theme, and I, in the last year or so, discovered that my brain really does work by color first, theme second. So that's kind of what I've been doing for the last while, and then I paused for a long time, and since I've been in an organizing mood, I've started up again. A lot of this is I finally cut up all of my Happy Planner, like the big sticker books. I finally finished cutting all those up and sorting by color, and I will eventually be putting them into binders. That's what I was going to say. I'm using the construction paper sheets for full sheets of stickers, and then these little ones, if they fit, I'm putting in pocket pages, like the card sleeves that we use for pocket letters. It's just easier. I don't have to worry about all this washi tape. When there's a lot of loose stuff on a sheet, like a lot of small pieces, when you're taking them in and out of the page protector, they get stuck and pulled off and everything. I'm kind of in the middle of all that, basically. And I have to pause anyways because I have run out of pocket pages. I've got them on order from Amazon. They will hopefully be arriving sometime today, actually. And then I've also ordered a couple of binders because all of my binders are full or partially full right now. So, gotta pause till some more implements arrive before the organizing. So I'm going to be basically just throwing these into like Ziploc bags for now and putting them aside. And then I'm going to work on actually maybe doing some crafting before May ends. It's amazing. But just wanted to show you I have been productive, just not as far as making stuff. Do you organize by color? How do you organize your embellishments? I know some people do it all in like containers. I have some like loose gems I have in containers because it'd be way too bulky otherwise. If I ever finish this project, I will do a video on it. Let me know how you organize. Do you organize by color, by theme, a little of each? Do you put them all in different containers? Do you put them in binders? Do you put them in some other kind of storage item that I'm not aware of? Everybody stay safe, wash your hands, please wear a mask, and do social distancing in public. In my area, I can't even go for a walk without wearing a mask because people don't even social distance on the wide open park path. People seem to think that because in our area in Ontario we have just quote-unquote started opening up, but it's being done very slowly. We're still basically under a state of emergency, just some places have been allowed to open for like curbside pickup. Yeah, people have taken that to mean the virus is over, we don't have to worry about it, we can go out. And there was just a big, on the long weekend here, it was a really nice weekend, and people went to this big park in Toronto, and like they were packed in like sardines. Just chilling on their blankets, having picnics, and like everyone's like, great, now you just helped spread things around, good job. So please continue to stay home. Don't go to the craft stores and the dollar stores for fun. I know you want to, I want to too, but I also don't want to get sick or make other people sick, and I would hope that that would be more of a priority than craft supplies. So please stay home, please wear a mask and social distance when you do have to go out, not because you want to, because you have to. And someday this will be over, but you gotta keep doing that for this to be over. So that's my rant. I hope everyone is doing well and staying healthy. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully sooner than later.